Hi, my amazing artist. So far, we've been working on our Zentangle designs, and we've created 12 spaces coming out from the center. Some of us have swirled them, some of us have made those lines straight, and inside we've created some type of really interesting pattern using some different Sharpies. Today what you're going to do when you're all finished with your patterns, you're going to be using these fluorescent oil pastels to fill in this space. What I would like to do first, I would like to take my black Sharpie and trace around my heart, so that way when I'm working with my oil pastels, so I don't accidentally color over my heart. There, we got that part, just like that. What you're going to do, you're going to choose whichever colors you want. I would probably limit my colors, limit my palette, maybe 3 or 4. I wouldn't necessarily use all of them. I'm going to start with yellow in the center. Of course, you can start with whatever color you want, but you're going to start by doing the one color that you want a little bit in each one. So you want to be kind of careful, and these kind of move a little bit. Be careful you don't get them over top of the black. So I'm going to do this one and this one like this. And I'm going to do the same thing in each of these. So just a little bit of color. And you can have more. If you want more, you can go further with this first color. But we're going to make kind of like an ombre effect where you go with one color and you gently change to another color. Make sure you stay in those lines though. And then we got this one. Oil pastels is different from crayons. Oil pastel, you almost feel like you're holding lipstick or something. It's got a lot of oil in it. The next color I want to use, I'm going to go with this yellow green. I think a yellow green next to the yellow might look really cool. So I'm just going to kind of overlap that last color, which is yellow, and add some of this color. And you're going to keep going all the way around with this. Now I'm going to choose a different color. I'm going to go with this dark green. I'm going to do some dark green here. It's more like a greenish blue. But again, overlap a little bit on your last color. Try to scrape that off. Try not to get inside your black and white. It can be tricky. I obviously did. Oh well. That one. Maybe if I outline where I'm going to go first. And you're going to keep going all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and show you what you can do. You can kind of mix these colors with your pinky. When you mix, you want to stay right in that space. You would definitely not want to mix like this. But use those colors. I went from yellow to yellow green to a blue green, which look really nice. And you can kind of blend that in so you don't see any of the white. I'm going to do this one. You could also use maybe a Q-tip. And then I would do that all the way around. I think I'm going to go with, I'm going to go with regular blue. Here, you could do a little Maybe I just want a teeny bit of blue right here before I change my color, or maybe you want a lot of blue. You're just going to keep going. And again, you're going to go all the way around to all these spaces. I'm just showing you a couple for time. And you're just going to take your finger and kind of blend that into the colors. And I think I'm going to go with a pink next. So kind of match my heart. And again, you can overlap with the last color. I could do a whole bunch of pink. I could do this teeny bit, and I do extra. And you guys are just going to keep going with this until you run off the edge of the page. Just be real careful around that edge. And then you're going to kind of get this ombre look. Oh wow, that's pretty. Okay. And that's it. You're just going to keep going and going until you're off the edge of the page. If you need a messy mat, we can get that, because pretty soon you're going to be off the edge. And that's it. When you're finished, you can bring it up. Thanks.